Ever heard of a hidden paradise in the Philippines? Nestled at the northernmost tip of the country, there lies a serene escape untouched by time, Batanes. Not as well known as the bustling beaches of Boracay or the chocolate hills of Bohol, Batanes has managed to keep its charm secret, its beauty unspoiled. This remote province is a cluster of islands, each one an unexplored treasure chest of breathtaking views, rugged coastlines and rolling hills that seem to merge seamlessly with the sky. Batanes, home to the resilient Ivatan people, exudes tranquility that beckons every weary traveler. The ancient stone houses, the whispers of the wind, and the distant lighthouse standing tall against the horizon. Everything in Batanes tells a story. It's more than just a destination, it's a journey into an enchanting world. Journey with us as we explore this untouched beauty, where nature meets culture in a harmonious blend. Imagine stepping off the plane onto a land that time forgot. Your senses are instantly awakened by the aroma of the ocean, the whispering wind, and the vibrant hues of the landscape. You find yourself surrounded by an unspoiled panorama of breathtaking views. Vast rolling hills stretch out before you, their emerald green surfaces contrasting sharply with the cobalt blue of the sky. The rugged coastlines, carved by millennia of relentless waves, stand as silent sentinels, bearing testament to the eternal dance between the sea and the land. Every breath you take is a gulp of pure, unpolluted air. A sense of awe washes over you, followed by an overwhelming tranquility that seeps into your very soul. This isn't just nature, it's a symphony, a masterpiece painted by the universe itself. And you, lucky traveler, are the privileged spectator. This is just the beginning of our journey, prepare to be amazed. Batanes is not just about landscapes. It's about a culture deeply rooted in history and tradition. The Ivatan culture is as captivating as the place itself. Over time, this community has nurtured a unique way of life, shaped by the windswept landscapes they call home. The ancient stone houses bear testament to this, sturdy, resilient, and designed to withstand the harshest weather. These structures are not merely homes, they are symbols of the Ivatan's enduring spirit. Life here is simple, unperturbed by the hustle and bustle of the city. The Ivatans have a deep appreciation for the land, the sea, and the changing seasons. They are a people of tradition, preserving their culture in the face of modernity. Their warm hospitality, coupled with their unique traditions, makes every encounter a rich cultural experience. Immersing in Ivatan culture, we learn that life here is a beautiful blend of nature and tradition. From the iconic Basco Lighthouse to the serene Sabtang Island, Batanes is a trove of hidden gems. The Basco Lighthouse, standing tall on the cliff of 90 hills, is more than a beacon guiding seafarers. It's a testament to the resilience of Ivatans, braving the storms of the Pacific. Then there's Marlborough Hills, a panorama of rolling grasslands, reminiscent of a scene from a fantasy movie. Here the wind whispers tales of time, and the hills seem to undulate under the shifting shadows of the clouds. But Batanes isn't just about the icons. Venture a bit further and you'll discover spots that are off the beaten path. There's the unassuming Dipne-Supuan Japanese tunnel, a relic from the Second World War. Another lesser-known gem is the tranquil Chadpidan Boulder Beach, where massive boulders meet the fierce waves, creating a beautiful symphony of nature's power. Every corner of Batanes has a story to tell, a sight to behold. Batanes, a paradise hidden in plain sight, is waiting for you. Just imagine waking up to the soft lullaby of the waves, the cool breeze whispering tales of centuries-old Ivatan culture. Picture yourself meandering through the rolling hills, not a care in the world, just the raw beauty of nature surrounding you. Remember the ancient stone houses we explored? Their walls, thick with stories of resilience, of a people who have weathered storms and embraced the calm after. Batanes offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place where time seems to stand still, and you become one with the unspoiled beauty of the world. From the iconic Basco Lighthouse standing tall as a beacon of hope, to the tranquil Sabtang Island, folding you into its peaceful embrace, Batanes is a hidden gem that is just waiting to be discovered. If this video has made you yearn for the tranquility of Batanes, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more. Let's unveil more hidden paradises together.